What's good, YouTube? We back at it with another video. Okay, so we have the retro Jordan 1 box. Dope little box, size 15, of course. One of my students did give me a Nike gift card for teacher appreciation. I was able to put that toward these kicks. So, man, that's love for real. Shout out to all the teachers out there. Shout out to the students showing love this week, Teacher Appreciation Week. But yeah, let's check out these things. Ooh, I don't know why so many people are sleeping on these. The quality looks crazy. Just first look out the box. I do like the pattern on the leather. They're different, but it's the OG. It's the same OG UNC colorway. I love these kicks, man. They're still sitting in a lot of sizes I'm seeing. I expected these to sell out. When I saw that thing pop up on the sneakers app that said got them, I was like, yeah, I got them. And then 20, 30 minutes later, there's still a full size range sitting. I didn't expect that with these shoes. Jordan 1, if they continue to sit, they may make their way to the outlet. I don't know. They may get discounted on some sites, but this is definitely a nice pickup. I'm satisfied with them. 10 out of 10 quality, if I do say so myself. I'm going to be going out of town this weekend. I'm going to go throw together a fit with these. It does come with the blue, Carolina blue or white laces. I might even mix them up, have both of them things in there looking fresh, looking clean. But yeah, I'm definitely going to throw together some fits with these. A dope pickup, retail, of course. They're still sitting. If you want these, I recommend go ahead and grab them, man. Maybe wait for the discount if you feel like they're going to sit, but this is a good cop right here. I'm happy with these. I don't know why they're sitting, man. But yeah, hope you all did enjoy this video. Quick video unboxing here on the channel. More videos coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out, family. Peace.